Biocool offers a complete range for anyone with a boat, motorhome or caravan who wants to maintain their water and sanitation systems. If you want a safe method of keeping your drinking water clean, whether you're on a boat, in a motorhome or at home, we've got solutions to help. The Oxitech method is based on 2 simple steps: cleaning the water tank efficiently and maintaining the water quality so you can safely drink and use water straight from the tap. You might wonder why it's important to clean your water tank. Well, it's quite simple when you think about it. A dirty tank means dirty water. Everyone knows that if water systems aren't cleaned regularly, layers of dirt start to build up inside the tank. And we don't want that dirt in our drinking water. It can harbour bacteria and microorganisms. If we skip cleaning, the whole water system suffers. It can lead to bad smells and taste, malfunctioning water pumps and hoses, low water pressure in taps and showers, and a build-up of biofilm that's hard to remove. Don't forget to remove and clean the filters and strainers at the end of your taps. Dirt and deposits collect there too. That's why we recommend cleaning your water tank, hoses and taps in spring and autumn. When your water tank is cleaned regularly, major deposits don't have time to form and the whole system stays fresh. Microorganisms can't thrive because they go without food. Regular cleaning also becomes natural maintenance. Replacing tanks and hoses in boats or motorhomes can be expensive. But if you clean your tanks often and check for any leaks, you can avoid costly repairs and water damage. Fixing leaks before they cause trouble not only helps your water system, it also extends its lifespan. Our Clean My Water Tank product makes the cleaning process simple and efficient. After cleaning, just top up with drinking water and add water tablets to keep the water fresh for longer. That way, you can safely store drinking water, and we'll tell you more about that in a bit. To clean your water tank with Biocool Clean My Water Tank, dose the powder or tablets according to your tank size, then fill it up with water, preferably lukewarm if possible. Now you've created a cleaning formula in your tank. To reach the hoses and taps, open each tap and flush for 30 seconds, then close them. This allows the cleaning formula to reach the entire system. Wait for 12 hours before draining. You can empty the tank in 2 ways, either through the bottom plug or via a tap or pump that transfers the water to the grey water tank. Want to clean your grey water tank too? Reuse the water you've just used? Simply add Clean My Water Tank again, repeat the process, and wait another 12 hours. Then your grey water tank is clean too. But how does this actually work? When the product contacts the deposits in your tank, hoses and taps, an intensive cleaning process starts. When it's done, both the dirt and microorganisms are removed. The best part: you don't need to rinse. The product leaves no taste or smell. The only residuals are water and oxygen. If there's still some dirt or flakes at the bottom, just refill with a bit of water and drain again to flush it out. Taking care of your water tank means you don't need to carry bottled water. You can use the water for drinking, cooking and brushing your teeth, and free up space from bulky cans. 3 key takeaways. Clean twice a year to keep your water tank fresh. Clean My Water Tank is simple and effective, no scrubbing required. Once the job's done, only water and oxygen remain. Now let's move on to step 2 in the Oxitech method, maintaining water quality. A good rule of thumb is that water should never smell or taste bad. Sometimes water stored in plastic containers takes on a plastic flavour, but this doesn't necessarily mean the water is bad. There are various ways to purify drinking water, but no matter which system you use, the tank and hoses still need regular cleaning. Many people use filters or chemical cleaning products. But chemical treatments like chlorine or silver can have a big impact on the environment. When silver ends up in lakes and rivers, it continues to kill microorganisms, including the ones we want to keep. Here's where oxygen makes all the difference. We humans love oxygen. Microorganisms in water? Not so much. We've used that knowledge. Biocool Purify My Drinking Water works by adding oxygen to the water, creating an environment where bacteria can't thrive. This maintains water quality, makes the water taste great, and gives you peace of mind on your journey. It's easy to use. Just dose as directed with tablets or powder, wait 3 hours, and enjoy fresh, clean water. Purify maintains water quality for 3 months. If you add more water, just dose again. A nice bonus, the water may even feel a little sparkling straight from the tap. Water treated with Purify is safe to drink, cook with and use for hygiene. Quick tip, water tastes best when it's cold and rich in oxygen. Purify takes care of the oxygen, and if you pop a jug of water in the fridge, you'll always have fresh, cold water ready. 3 things to remember. Stagnant water becomes oxygen poor, and deposits form. Water should never taste, smell or look dirty. Fresh, tasty water is what you want, and Purify makes it possible. If you have a toilet tank in your motorhome, caravan or boat that needs regular care too. In motorhomes and caravans, it's often emptied every 3 to 5 days. On boats, a bit less often. But either way, you want the process to be simple and odour-free. That's why chemical products are used, but most of them smell strong and contain dyes. Sanitize, my holding tank, is a smarter alternative. It keeps your holding tank fresh and odourless and makes emptying easy. You simply dispense it via the toilet. The powder mixes with the waste, breaks down odours and helps clean the toilet too. The product is free from perfume and colorants, which makes it biogas friendly. It's fast-acting, hygienic and easy to use. Just dose as needed to keep your toilet fresh. 3 key takeaways. Dose the product directly into the toilet. It even helps clean it. It breaks down odours, making the experience more pleasant without chemical smells. The result is biogas friendly, so you can empty it at any station.